Hello everyone, welcome to Mona's Eastern Kitchen, and today I'm going to prepare Aloo Dum, and this is a variant from Darjeeling. The Darjeeling style Aloo Dum is prepared in an open kadhai and is served with extra helping of chili sauce and some plain bhujiya. Every time I prepare Aloo Dum, it brings back memories from my school days when we used to flock to our school tuck shop to have some. And today I'm sharing with you a special recipe by my mum. So let's get started. First, let's prepare the chili paste, which is the core ingredient for this dish. In a pot, take 1 cup of water and bring it to boil. Here I have taken 6 dried red chilies. These 2 are dry chili to give a spicy flavor, and these 4 are Kashmiri lal mirch to give a rich wine red color to this dish. The water has started boiling, so now we will add the chilies and boil it for 2 to 3 minutes or till the chilies become soft. Turn off the heat and remove the chilies and let it cool, after which we will grind them into a fine paste. Transfer the chilies into a grinder or a food processor and add 3 cloves of garlic, a little bit of water, and grind it into a fine paste. Now transfer it into another bowl and keep aside for later use. I have boiled and peeled the potatoes. Now let's cut them into small pieces. I'm cutting the potatoes into 1/2 to 1 inch big. I will mash 1 potato and keep aside to thicken the gravy. Heat a kadhai and add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil and let it smoke. Add Pachforan and let it splutter. Pachforan is a 5-whole spice blend consisting of fenugreek, nigella, cumin, black mustard and fennel seeds. If you don't have Pachforan, then you can use kalonji or nigella seeds. If you don't have kalonji or nigella seeds, then the last option that you can use is black mustard seeds. You can use either of these, but the first preference is Pachforan. Then add the chili paste and cook till the water is completely absorbed and the oil floats on the surface. Add 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder and fry it for a couple of seconds. Now let's add the cut potatoes, some salt to taste, give it a good mix and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add the mashed potatoes. Add some water enough to immerse the potatoes, some salt, and stir it well. Now cover it and cook till you get the desired consistency of gravy. Now let's serve it with some plain bhujiya or aloo bhuja as it's called in Darjeeling. If you enjoyed my video, then please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. And please follow me on Instagram and Facebook page. The links for both are given below in the description box.